LAME stands for Laboratory for Advanced Electron Microscopy. It was established in 2022 within the Innovative Materials platform of Area Science Park, with the purpose to set up an advanced facility for transmission electron microscopy dedicated to the characterization of materials in the field of nanoscience and nanotechnology and energy and batteries research. LAME is equipped with the state-of-the-art instrumentation, such as an advanced double-corrected transmission electron microscope, electron-based spectroscopy, and in situ capabilities to study the evolution of materials under reactive environments. It also includes advanced laboratory preparation and also a dedicated plasma-focused ion beam, which is tailored for the characterization of materials relevant for energy and part of a pipeline for the characterization of materials into controlled environments. The plasma fib also provides the opportunity to prepare thin film foils of materials for TM characterization. LAME is run by highly qualified personnel, which is dedicated to competitive research program and also committed to the assistance of users in the development of their own research projects.
NFFA-DI project aims at upgrading the currently existing NFFA European infrastructure, reaching a full-spectrum research infrastructure in nanoscience and nanotechnology, capable of enhancing Italian research competitiveness. At LAME, we embrace the spirit of the project by setting up a brand new and top-notch laboratory for the preparation of samples for their characterization in electron microscopy within the material science world. One of the most important features that we strongly want to pursue for our laboratory is the creation of a structurized workflow, allowing users to prepare their own samples in a controlled environment and maintain this control through the overall process, involving experiments at microscopes as well as synchrotron facilities if needed, in a view of a correlative approach. Furthermore, we are currently collaborating with our colleagues at LADE for the implementation of the FAIR by Design protocol, making possible to store and share scientific data produced during the overall process of sample preparation and characterization with electron microscopes, as well as pursuing interoperability during the data phase production.
LAME is a unique facility in the national territory, and it provides the unique opportunity for scientists to work in a multidisciplinary environment, being located within a campus where also the Elettra Sincrotrone and the free electron laser FERMI are. In such a way, scientists may develop multidisciplinary projects and be involved, thanks to the geographical location at the border with the European countries, competitive research projects in cooperation with our colleagues distributed in the European landscape.